This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable notifications in the LibreWolf web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the LibreWolf web browser opened up now. To enable or disable notifications, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see the Permissions section, and right down here, Notifications. You want to click on Settings, that's off to the right of Notifications. And right down here towards the bottom, block new requests asking to allow notifications. This will prevent any website not listed above from requesting permission to send notifications. Blocking notifications may break some website features. If you check this box right here, then you're blocking all requests for notifications, unless you directly add the website in this area here. And you would do that by placing the URL in this box right here. Then you want to go down to the bottom and you want to click on Save. That is how to enable or disable notifications in the LibreWolf web browser. Thanks for watching.